In this video, I'll show you how to adjust the sensitivity in Battlefield 6. All you have to do is launch the game and access the settings by selecting the settings wheel icon at the top right corner, or rather at the top menu, and then scroll down and select controller, and then select edit settings at the bottom right corner. Now from here, simply select the control settings under the infantry section if you want to adjust the sensitivity for your soldier. So you can find the infantry aim sensitivity, you can select that and adjust it to suit your needs. Also, you can scroll down and find other sensitivity options like zoom sensitivity coefficient. You can also adjust it to suit your needs. Also, you can go back and also adjust the sensitivity for the ground vehicles, for the transport vehicle, aircraft, and all the other options that are currently available. So whichever section you want to adjust the sensitivity for, simply highlight it and select control settings, and then find the aim sensitivity option. So here it is, and then adjust it to suit your needs. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.